You're in the kitchen with Chef Anthony, and today we're making Haricot Vert. Where I come from, we call it French green beans, topped with red onions and some grape tomatoes. Stay tuned. You see, we want to cut these little stennies off and throw those away. So these are the ingredients we'll be using today. My Haricot Vert, which is French green beans, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 cup of garlic, a cup of red onions, half a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, a cup of grape tomatoes, got my white wine, got my olive oil, and my chicken broth. Stay tuned, we're gonna go to the stove and get it cracking. So now we got that water boiling. Put your green beans in the pot. You don't want to cook them too long, like I said, remember. You just want to cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes. So we're gonna let these sit in here about 2 more minutes. Then we're gonna take them out and put them in the ice bath. Once we put them in the ice bath, we'll strain it and get to sauteing these bad babies with some of that good old flavor and those wonderful ingredients we got over there. So y'all stay tuned. In the kitchen with Chef Anthony. Let those cool off, stop cooking, and get them in that pan so we can saute them and make it do what it do. All right, now that we took the green beans out the ice bath, it's time to get to start sauteing some stuff, man. So what I like to do is put about a teaspoon to a half a teaspoon of olive oil and a little bit of butter mixed with it. First thing we're gonna do, our red onions in there. Then I want to stir some more garlic up in there. Once you garlic up in there, garlic flavors in there. You know what I want to do? My tomatoes in there. About 1/4 cup of wine. And we'll let those flavors marry in. Those flavors marry in lovely like that. What we'll do is throw our Haricot Vert in there. Our lemon juice. And just marry that in there together. Last but not least, for a little bit of flavor, I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of chicken broth. Mix this together. I would say we're ready. And this is the finished product. Haricot Vert with garlic, grape tomatoes, and red onions.